Antenna review and installation coming your way right now. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Shorty by AntennaX. It's a 5-inch replacement antenna. They did send me this product review along with this sweet shirt, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or finding out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged in a really nice retail package. We can see on the back they have all the information on the included adapters and what vehicles they're compatible with. It's showing imports, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ford, GM, and a roof mount that can be used on both ends or both sides. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see the 5-inch antenna itself, made out of billet aluminum, powder coated black, couple of different end pieces for you. And then we have all your different adapters for imports, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ford, GM, and your roof mount. So now let's go ahead, let's get this antenna installed. So before we install the antenna, I have an AM radio station that we don't really get. So I wanted to show you guys when we install this antenna, kind of have a baseline station here of what the current antenna does and what the new antenna will do in regards to signal strength and signal loss. So you can hear it right here. Really fuzzy and mumbled. Can't really understand everybody, and there's a lot of feedback. And then now I'll show you guys, let's go ahead, let's benchmark a radio station that works as well. This one will be on FM. We have 90.9 right here. Works just fine. So now let's go ahead, let's get that antenna installed. So there's the current antenna that we're going to replace on this 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. The first step you need to do is go ahead and twist off the old antenna to get ready to twist on the new antenna. Now we're ready to install the Shorty right here. Go ahead, select the proper attachment from the package. Be sure to reference the nice chart on the back. Go ahead, thread this end all the way in, make it nice and snug, and then you're ready to attach it to the car. In this case, we're attaching it to a 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. Everything looks great. I love how everything fits. Nice and flush down here and looks great. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. The Shorty 5-inch antenna is installed in this Chrysler Crossfire right now. We're back at the radio. Let's go ahead. Let's try out those two stations that we tested earlier with the original antenna. First up is 1420 AM. This is a fringe station that we weren't really getting in the area. This will help us gauge if we suffered any signal loss or gained any signal strength. So let's go ahead now. Let's listen to it.
But I can't imagine them not weighing in on that. They may say that the second circuit didn't even have jurisdiction.
You know, I feel like I can actually understand the radio announcer now, so I think that it actually improved the quality, if at all possible. If not, it's awfully close to the same, but I think it's actually a little bit better. So now let's try out that FM station as well. We know we get this station. And sure enough, signal strength is great. You can't tell a difference. Everything works fine. Now let's try out the seek and scan feature to see if the scan button works.
Harness arranged and sat in on meetings between Giuliani and Ukrainians promising dirt on...
So the radio works great with all of the features and we get good signal strength. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you're interested in that product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Also, search my channel for some other great AntennaX unboxing and review videos of the products that you see here. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily. Don't want you guys to miss anything. Give us a follow on social media as well. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord server. Thank you guys again for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.